Today in this video we will learn about how to back up your WordPress website to Google Drive via WordPress plugin. If you want to back up your whole WordPress site to your Google Drive account remotely, then in that case log into your WordPress dashboard and then go to Add a new plugin. Now here, search for a given plugin that is Updraft Plus and then click over Install Now. Once that plugin is installed, click over Activate. Now go to the Settings section in the installed plugin. Finally, click over Backup Now. Again, click over Backup Now. Now, this will take some time to generate the backup. Once the backup is generated, you will be able to see the view of your backup in this way. Now, here you need to choose Google Drive option in order to store your backup remotely. Also, you can configure your schedule or frequency of the backups like weekly or daily. Select Google Drive and then go ahead. Finally, click on Save Changes. Now this will ask you for Google Drive authorization. You need to follow this link to authorize your Google Drive account. Select your account and then in this way you can connect your Google Drive account with your WordPress website. So click over Allow. Now complete the setup by clicking over Complete Setup. In this way, a periodic backup of your website is now enabled to Google Drive. Your complete backup will be stored to Google Drive remotely.